We're now on the second half of our broadcast ng ating 6 games dito sa Delta Cup. Game 4 of 6 na tayo. Katatapos ng ating nerve-wracking game kanina. But hey, this game will be Santo Tomas versus Candaba. Santo Tomas on a 2-game losing streak. At ang Candaba naman are on a 2-game winning streak. Magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Ako po muli si Ryan Paro, live na live dito sa BREN GUIAO Convention Center in Santo Fernando, Pampanga. Continuing coverage of your Delta Cup 2023-24 season. Now, kagaya na sinabi ko kanina, yung Candaba, the reason why they are on a 2-game winning streak because 2 departments ang kanilang nag-improve ang kanilang rebounding and assist. They're one of the top 3 teams, top teams dyan sa department na yan. Samantala naman Santo Tomas, nagkakaproblema sila sa turnovers and also some foul troubles for their team men. So, baliktarin lang natin ang magiging instansya sa dalawa. It will be a different ballgame. So, let's see if Santo Tomas can break the slump or Candaba can continue their winning ways. Santo Tomas and Candaba is up next. Okay, we are minutes away to start this game. Let's take a look at the lineups for Candaba. We have Albert de la Peña, Rino Guevara, Buenseco, and Paginto. And for Santo Tomas, we have Batak Mercado, G. Mercado, Lyson Zapata, and K. Mercado. Our referees for this sport game are Martin Escalambre, Noel Menchero, and Danilo Pimentel. Our crew chief is Martin Escalambre as we now start game 4 of 6. May apatkat panapon kay kayo mga kabalen. Pang-apat na laro na to sa 6. And let's see, Candaba, top 3 in rebounding and assist. Nakita niyo naman, maganda ball movement kagad ng Candaba, 3-point shot mintis. Santo Tomas, they are on a losing streak. They want to improve their record of 1 win and 3 loss in this tournament. 3-point shot, offline. Rebound controlled by Rino. Both teams are standing. They're going to sit down once they score. Here's the 3. Here ball. Great find and a great basket. And that deserves a second look direct because it's a 3-point play opportunity. Pakita natin sa mga viewers kung paano kaganda. Tapos ang tira. Great presence of mind. Look at that. And De La Peña will shoot for a 3-point bonus. Yes. 3 natin. Santo Tomas wearing in white and green. And Candaba in red. Ball batted away. And 15 seconds nalalabi sa ating shot clock. 3-0 sa count. So this is the battle of momentum. Here's the drive. No, kicking out. 10 seconds to shoot. Ito na Santo Tomas going on the left wing. Shot clock winding down at 5. They need to put it up. Here's the long. It's a 3-ball, sabi ni referee. Pero hindi pumasok ang tira. Binuya clears the board. Baseline. The turnaround. No conversion. Nabambola ng Santo Tomas. Lyson. Uy, nakalangan. Kamuntik na mag-travel si Mercado. At agawan na ng bola ng tuloy ng Candaba. Ito na, matake na ang mga malaking mama. Sapal ang inabot. Wow, that's a great defensive stance on a little guy despite the fact he has a 3 to 4 inch disadvantage. .8:31 to play in the first. 3-0 count. Still zilch for Santo Tomas so far. Pick provided. Here's the shot. Goes left. Reno clears the board for the red shirts. Binuya magdadahan-dahan binababa ang bola. Ikot ang Candaba. Paginto. Thought about it. 8 to shoot. Paginto. Partially deflected on that attempt. Mercado with almost a finish. That's going to be a foul on Mercado. Early substitution for both teams. Wala pa pong score dito ang Santo Tomas. Low post play. There's a double team. On the other baseline. Find its mark. May foul. So somebody will take 2 free throws for Candaba. That's when Soseco will shoot a free throw. Remember, Santo Tomas still only 1 win registered. Woo! That's rare. He airballed that shot so lousily. I can't believe this, coach. I have never seen 2 air balls at the same time in a ball game. This will be the first time. Not to embarrass a player, but hey, this is a rarity of sorts. Still nothing for Santo Tomas. Can't buy a basket. De La Peña stops, drops it off. Baseline drive. Nice hang time move. 5-0 Candaba. Salis, a pick. And a turnover. Paginto, lays it in. Saan pala, binabati ko yung isang kumpare ko na nagbo-broadcast ngayon sa Mandaluyong, Diego de la Paz. Hello. We have a timeout. Santo Tomas still nothing at this point. 7-0 is the tally. Back to live action. Direct, pwede pa replay kung ilang time remaining. Nagkaroon lang tayo ng problema sa game clock. How many times remaining? Paki-replay lang kung bago yung nagkaroon ng timeout. How much time remaining sa first quarter? So we have some slight technical problems on our clock. We're gonna fix that in no time at all. Para masabihan natin yung mga table official. Okay, is that correct? 6 minutes and 53? Titingnan natin kung tama yan. 6 minutes. Yes, it is 6:53. Thank you. Play continues. And Candaba still 7-0. Silvestre. So this is now the second unit for Santo Tomas. Still nothing for the white shirts. Just struggling po ang Santo Tomas pagdating sa scoring production. Samantala, batted away by Gomez. And Candaba will get back the possession. They have 16 seconds on the shot clock. From the baseline, that's a 3-pointer. Nice pump fake. 2 pump fakes. And it's going to be a traveling. Naghahanap pa po ng unang puntos ang Santo Tomas. They've been scoreless for almost 4 minutes now. Silvestre. Picked by Thompson. Gomez dancing around, lays it up, too strong, put back inside. Yes. First bucket for Santo Tomas. Exactly 6 minutes left in the first. 3-point shot from the corner. Nope. 5:50 left. Butterfingers. So yun ang naging problema. They are one of the top teams in turnovers itong Santo Tomas. Kaya yung record nila speaks for itself. Kailangan nilang ayusin yan. Mahaba pa po itong elimination run. We still have more than 15 play dates to go. They can still make up. Gomez. Left quarter court, 3 ball, connected. Umiinit na si Silvestre. 7-5 Candaba. Paginto attacks. It's going to be a dribbling violation, lifting. Dalawang klase po ang dribbling violation. Isa double dribble. Isa naman ay lifting of the ball. O palming the ball. Kanga. So, alas 2 na po ng hapon. Magandang hapon. May apatgad panapon kay kayo mga kabalin. Nice pump fake. Here's the shot. Nope. Rebound. May foul laban sa Candaba. It's gonna be on Magat. That will be his first personal foul. Only the first team foul for the red shirts. Let's see that again in slow-mo. Hindi na. Okay. Foul nga si foul ng red shirts doon. Second is no good. De La Peña brings him downtown. They have a 2-point lead. Fast break. Rarity. Silvestre couldn't buy it. Shot will not work for Silvestre. It has been games like this of Santo Tomas wherein they can have a jackrabbit start or have a good start, but lagi silang slow team. At madali sila mapag-iwanan. Pero this time, I think they can keep in step with the team Candaba, who's on a streaky roll. Turnover. Halfway point, or rather, 6 minutes gone by. Miss layup. Gomez, umangat, counted and foul. That deserves a replay. 3-point play opportunity by Gomez. Panorin natin. Off the rebound. Nakuha niya, nakabingwit na foul. 3 sumabit, counted. Thank you. And a 3-point play completed. And the score now is 8-7. (9-8) Candaba. I'm having fun here sa ating production team talaga. Napakabait nila. Sobra. 3.5 minutes. First quarter. 3 ball. Wala. Takbo ang Candaba. Here it comes. Possible home run for Paginto. Nicely done. 11-8 Candaba. 3:17 left first quarter. Oops. Johnson huli. Illegal pick, sabi ni crew chief nating referee Martin Escalambre. Alright, sa mga ngayon lang nakapanood sa ating Delta Cup, let's have the results for the first 3 games. First game, Mexico 108, Arayat 56. Second game, Apalit 85, Bacolor 78. Third game, Minanin 80, Guagua 77. 3-point shot. Got it to go. Molong. Right on the money on that 3-point shot. The score is 14-8. Candaba up by 6. 2:44 remaining. Johnson, hang time move. Oh. Quick reply there. Swift retaliation for Tiongson. 14-10. Guevara spots off the backboard. May substitution tayo sa Candaba. Upo muna si Magat. .217 in the first. Offensive rebound. Nope. Johnson. Basket counted. And 1. At si Sadi matatawagan ng foul. I think Sadi hit in the face. So Johnson will try to utilize this 3-point play opportunity. And a miss. Oh! De La Peña. Yun yung elbow na hindi sinasadya kasi gino-hold lang niya yung rebound. Nakuha ni De La Peña ang bola. Nice passing play. Traveling. (14-12) is a count. 1:53 remaining in the first quarter. Silvestre. Picked by Chongson. Gomez. He was fouled upstairs. Under 2 minutes remaining na lang tayo sa first. And the last foul will be against De La Peña. That's his second personal foul. Ang Santo Tomas po ay paglabas mo dito sa San Fernando, kung pamaynila ka ng MacArthur Highway, that's already Santo Tomas, Pampanga. So this is a nearby town here. Candaba, it's a swamp in NLEX. Yung nakikita niyo yung viaduct, yun po ang Candaba, Pampanga po mga kaibigan. Jackknife of a move. Oh, that shot almost went down. Starter step there. Johnson rejected. High pass. Almost taken away. Completely broken up. 14-13. Here's Silvestre, three-pointer, short. Counter steal. And Muldong was called for the foul. All right, we have a timeout of the first quarter. 14-13. Candaba up by 1 minute. Back to live action po tayo sa BREN Convention Center in San Fernando City, Pampanga. Continuing coverage of your Delta Cup. This is just our week 6 of competition. So, nakakailang playdates na tayo. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, tama. Marami pa. Meron pa tayong 18 playdates pa. So, marami rin pa po tayong i-cover until March. And then playoffs will start on April. Free throw is good. And nagtatrap na dito ang Santo Tomas. At may nakitang foul ating referee. It's referee Danilo Pimentel signaling a foul against Candaba. And both teams in penalty situation with a minute remaining the first. De La Peña makes it 15 all. There is a lane violation. There will be a substitute free throw for Candaba. Free throw is no good. .43 takes in the first. David. There's a foul. So again, free throws for the defendant party for both Candaba and Santo Tomas respectively. First free throw is good for Gomez. And close first quarter. Santo Tomas up by 1, 16-15. Unti-unti nakukuha ng Santo Tomas ang group after a slow start. Now 17-15 with 37.9 seconds in the first quarter. And we have a foul given up. And number 14, David, cannot believe it. Take a look at this replay on that last bit of action slow-mo. On that stack formation. Ayun. Free throw. It is now 17-15, so it's good. Pumasok. Oh, sorry, hindi pumasok. Still a 2-point lead. Pumasok. 76-16. 35 takes. Santo Tomas up by a point. Shot will not work. Candaba has it. Final 17 seconds before we end this first. Here's the hang time of beautiful. Nicely done by Gomez. Nicely done. May hang time pa yun, ha? And one. This replay shows you why. Free to convert. Final 14.1 seconds before we end this first. Arias breaks the press. Sidestep, no beauty. Rebound, 5 seconds to go. Block. Put back, no. First quarter ends 20, Santo Tomas. Candaba 16. Let's take a look at some of our first quarter highlights for you. I'm going to show you right now. Let's see that again. And some of the highlights of the first quarter. 3-point shot. It's good. So, close encounter po. Santo Tomas 20. Candaba 16. Ito naman yung highlights sa Candaba. Malayong 3-point shot. Swak na swak yan. First quarter 20. Santo Tomas. Candaba 16. More Delta Cup action after this. Back to live action dito po sa BREN GUIAO Convention Center in San Fernando, Pampanga. 20 for Santo Tomas and 16 for Candaba. Fourth game of 6 na ating Delta Cup. My name is Juan Palo doing the call. At kumusta po kayo? Maya panapad po kayo dito sa Kabalen. Meron pa po tayong laro bukas. And later, at before the end of this coverage, we will announce the 6 games for tomorrow. The inside track produces a turnover. Steal by Santo Tomas. Ball battle up. And there is a foul. Yun. A foul signaled by Martin Escalambre. It's going to be foul bubbling on number 76. Ayun, kita yun. Pinayo, kinabayo. A little horseback ride on that, huh? Yan na po, nag-uumpisa na ang Sinag Liga Asia quarterfinals. So we have 2 channels for that, huh? So, ang laban ngayon sa Sinag Liga Asia 40 quarterfinals, MC Sports Management and AO Kings Easy Jersey. Six on the shot clock. Oh, what a pass. No! Santo Tomas failed to convert. That's a heartbreaker. 4-point lead. 10 to shoot. Here's the 3 ball, right wing, short. On the commentary side for Sinag Liga Asia is Enzo Galarosa and our president, Ray Alao. Penyo announcers from Balin. 2016 Santo Tomas. Oh, gandang pasa! That's a touchdown. And the lead is just 2 for Santo Tomas. 2018 with 8:24 remaining in the first. Here's Kagiwa. Short. Gets it right back. Nothing. Still nothing. Inside play didn't materialize. Stop and pop jumper. It drops. Magandang attempt yun para sa Candaba. That's Vinuya's basket. Tied at 20. Only the second deadlock of this ball game. Batak. Here's the drive. Nice getaway, but Hipolito can't finish. And Alan Trinidad, the manager of Pampanga Giant Lanterns, is here. 3-point shot. No. 10 to shoot. Nagagawan. Whoop, 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 whoop. Oy, jump ball. So the possession now will be for Candaba. Seven seconds on the shot clock now. So tinitingnan ni crew chief Martin Scalambre yung stack formation. No, 7-second shot clock. Down to 5. Baseline. Oh! Shot almost went in. Meron tayong foul laban sa Santo Tomas. Masasabi nating another marking matchup. So sumasabay ang Santo Tomas sa gang rebound. And Brenzo Seco wants to redeem himself of these 2 air balls. Oh, that time short. Tumama naman. Tumama! Tumama naman. Konting lakas pa, Brenzo Seco. There you go. He made it. (21-20), 6:39, second quarter action. They swing it out from left to right, back to left, top of the key area. And Brenzo Seco gives up a foul. It's going to be a holding one. Or it's a blocking one, rather. So, bola ng Santo Tomas, 14-second shot clock. Mercado open. Air balls that 3-pointer. De La Peña picks it up. Vinuya brings it down for the red shirts. De La Peña can't shoot. Goes left. Baseline, nasarhan ng pintuan. And Vinuya converts from 3-point distance. 23-21. Oh, sorry, 24-20 rather. .550 left. Jumper. Ayaw. Susubukan mo rin ng Santo Tomas. They can recycle the offense. So, Zapata. It's a foul. Important free throws for Santo Tomas. Oh, teka muna. Si Lopez ay nagsisintas ng sapatos. Two free throws. First is good. One more free throw para sa Santo Tomas. Both made by Zapata. 24-22, 2-point lead, Candaba. 5:35 remaining, approaching the halfway house of the second quarter. Ball almost taken away. It's going to be a charge. Good defensive stance there by Santo Tomas. Offensive foul laban sa Candaba. Buenzo Seco was the guilty party. Up. Tapik. Substitution now. And Buenzo Seco checks out. Tikit ang ating laban, second quarter, 5:20 remaining in the second. 3 team fouls para sa Candaba, 2 sa Santo Tomas. Batak almost traveled there. Batak drives, drops it up. Mercado one-handed, no. Rebound. White shirt still has it. Cordyceps into deep on that side step. Here's the shot. Paquito misses. The hook. Nope. So even those inside incursions of Candaba, nahihirapan na sila. Batak releases in time, but it's too sharp. The ball goes back to Candaba. Maginto brings it downtown for Candaba. Low scoring second quarter. Walang masyadong aksyon sa scoring. Pero I really like their methodical offensive thrust. Chewing some clocks. De La Peña misses the three-pointer. Here's Bata. Gomez can't pull the trigger. Inside incursion. Mercado. Sabit. Si Diaz. That's a holding foul. It's going to be 2 free throws now. Press is good. One more free throw for Santo Tomas. 4:19 remaining in the second. It rattles out. Scores 24-22. Candaba up by 2, almost approaching the 4-minute mark of the second quarter. Paginto. De La Peña. Back to Paginto. Here's the shot from the corner. Air ball. And a fast break finish for Santo Tomas. Lightning like drive there. By the little guy. Diaz misses from 3-point distance. And a layup. Converted again by Santo Tomas. So Candaba will utilize the timeout. They're down by 3, 27-24. With 3:36 remaining. Take a look at some of this last bit of action in slow-mo with this fast break finish. We have a time. Back to live action. .33 remaining. The second, the lead is 3 now for Santo Tomas. Oh, swift retaliation there for Candaba. 1 point game. Courtesy of Guevara. Sticky defense there like glue. Results in the foul for Candaba. Candaba already in penalty situation. At dalawang free throws ang may bibigay para sa Santo Tomas. Split. 28-26. Paginto. Here's the familiar Santo Tomas trap. Jackknife. Nice play. Guevara. Elongated arms. He can stretch that ball if he wants to. 3-point shot. Got it to go. Is that a 3-pointer? Parang long two lang yun kay Gomez, pero we'll check. Two minutes and 41. Nice passing play. De La Peña couldn't convert. Ten seconds to shoot. Look away pass. Rodriguez busted out for the home run. Even Steven at 30. Kick out 3. Guevara brings it up. Under 2 minutes remaining. Guevara all the way. Jose. Beautiful. Nicely done. .140 remaining in the second quarter, rather. Inside pass. No. Gomez. No. Inside track didn't happen. Rodriguez. Muntik na tamaan si Balong, ha? Sinipa na lang na yung Balong. Akala ko, Balong, sushoot mo eh. 32 to 30. A minute and 15 remaining in the first half. Gomez from top of the key. Pick provided by Mercado. Silvestre. Nice pass. Zapata scores. Nice give and go play. And the coach of Candaba was called for a technical foul for unsportsmanlike behavior. Continues complaining to the refs. Will result into a technical foul. And Danilo Pimentel has seen enough. Referee Danilo Pimentel rather has seen enough. So the head coach of Delta that kept complaining because the coaching staff thought that there's a foul, but there's no call. Technical free to convert it. It is a 1-point Santo Tomas lead. 51 seconds to go. 51.9 to be exact. Touch passing. Vinuya. 3. And ball. Basket counts. And 1 for Candaba. That's De La Peña. Off a loose change. Release the ball in time. Time substitution. Bonus free throw is good for De La Peña. The lead is 2 for Santo Tomas. Or I'm sorry, it's a 2-point lead for Candaba. 35-33. 35 seconds remaining in the first half. Short of the 3-point shot for Gomez. And red shirts. 4-second differential between the shot clock and the game clock. The lob pass. The play did not materialize. Could have been a good play. Counter steal. The finger roll. Ooh, there's a foul. You know, even in slow motion, you can see that he really wants to score. Take a look at this. Kakatuwa yung mga bench doon. First free throw is good. Short on the second. Last shot time for Santo Tomas before we call it a half. They down by 3, 32-36, 7 seconds. Chongson momentarily open. He gets it to go. And that should do it. Halftime score. Santo Tomas 35, Candaba 36. We're going to have a halftime analysis, halftime highlights, and the leading scores plus more. This is Delta Cup 2023-24. Halftime score na natin, 36 points for MALUGUD CANDABA versus 35 United THOMASIAN Bolos. Then take a look at the highlights of our first half. Fast break for Santo Tomas. Silvestre to his teammate and one. It's Gomez. To CANDABA. All the way Jose. Basket there. Ayubara. For Santo Tomas. Give and go play. 2 points there for the Pata. So CANDABA 3-point shot. No, pero there's a stick back by De La Peña. Leading scorers for both teams. Tingnan natin. So we have the graphic for leading scorers. We're just minutes away to start the second half of action. Gomez with 12, Chongson with 8, Maniti with 5 for Santo Tomas, CANDABA, De La Peña with 8, Guevara 8, and Paguito 6. We'll be right back in a minute. We will start the third quarter. Okay, magsisimula na po ang ating third quarter. Mukhang mayroon na sound system. Mukhang isa sa ating mga referees magbebe. Yun. Oh, si Ma'am Mulins ang magbebe nyo, announcer. Pwede. Ma'am Mulins is one of the isa sa mga masisipag nating mga employee ng Sinaglig Asia. He has been very great to his husband, Ryan Cabalinza. Lock-up shot. Won't work. Fast break. Ball is loose. The shot clock should have been at 14 seconds. Yeah, 14 seconds shot tayo. Inbound. White shirt still. The ball. Inside. Umatake. Yes, basket. That's Chongson, scored first 2 points. 36-39, 3-point lead for Santo Tomas. 9:12 remaining the third. They swing the one on the left wings. Shot clock at 7. Kaya lang may score dito. Paubos na ang shot clock. And a miss. And there's a foul. It's a foul on De La Peña. Pushing foul. That's the second personal foul. Santo Tomas. May possession. Ganda ikot ng bola. Umatake doon sa right side. Oh, libre sa kaliwa. Ah, great play. And one. Lyson completes it. Fantastic play. Look at that. And Lyson will get the bonus for a 3-point play opportunity. He missed that shot. The lead is 5 for Santo Tomas. Mayroong ball crunching pick doon pero pituan si number 9. It should be a foul on number 10, Batak. That will be only his second personal foul. First team foul for Santo Tomas. Dalawa na po ang Candaba. Baginto attacks the rim. Batted away by Johnson. David brings it down for Santo Tomas. Corner flip. Wala. De La Peña clears the board. Shopping around, looking for cutters. Jump shot from the free throw line. Wala. Lyson will challenge Vinuya. Here it comes. Laid it up. Foul. It's a foul on Vinuya. Lyson will take 2 free throws. It's the first. One more free throw for Lyson. 42-36. This is the biggest lead for Santo Tomas in this game. To shoot now. Here's Guevara. 6 on the shot clock, and it's going to be a traveling. (42-36). Batak. Melencio. 10 to shoot. From the corner, 7 on the shot clock. Lyson with also a traveling. Ayan! Ma'am Molins, kuwang-kuha na niya yung traveling ko. Ayos! Kota na si Ma'am Molins. Ryan Cambalinsa, kung nakikinig ka, Tokayo, ayan na ang iyong asawa. Announcer dito sa Delta Cup. Nako! Alam ko busy-busy si Ryan Cambalinsa ngayon sa Sinag Liga Asia quarterfinals there at One Arena Cainta. Quadruple header. 7 minutes remaining the third. Inbound. Vinuya pump fakes. Vinuya with a fadeaway. Could not convert. Possible home run. They do. Basket. 44-36. Alam niyo, pag naku. Inside to Magat. Magat misses. One more time on the block. Magat extricates. Can't make it. Third effort. Oh, bodies flying. Basket counted. Here's the stick back. Tenacity of the boards by the red shirts of Candaba. 3-point play opportunity. So, ang hinahabol ng Candaba ay 6 points. Look at this. Magat and David jousting in the position. Ayun, si David ang nahuling foul from that offensive rebound by De La Peña. "13 seconds a shot clock. 6:29 remaining is the third." Oh! Double foul, sabi ni referee Noel Menchero. So, it's gonna be a foul on number 8. Mercado. Tingnan natin signal niya. Ayan, sabihin niya yung ano. So, double foul. Number 8. Of Santo Tomas and number 25 Magat. Tingnan natin sa replay. Ayun, nagkagirian. Nagtulakan, yes. It's a double foul on Mercado. And number 25 Magat. Ayan. Alley play. Nicely done. Paginto. Don't look now. The lead of Candaba is 4. 44-46. 17 remaining sa third quarter. Mercado. Fires. Nothing. And here's Candaba. Kumakatok sa pintuan. Nahok. And he gets the foul. He will take 2 shots. It's a foul on number 2. That's Lyson. First is good. Free throw is good. Okay. Siguro pag-usapan natin yung sa Santo Tomas na yung mga hindi player, hindi sila pwede doon sa bench. Doon sila sa stands. Doon sa arena. Yan. Hindi sila pwede dyan. Yan ang pakiusap ni Commissioner Leo Isaac para nasa proper decorum ang lahat ng mga maglalaro. No? Okay, balik tayo sa action. Santo Tomas only a 2-point lead. Kumakatok sa pintuan. Oh, we see bodies flying again off that rebound. Now this third quarter is getting to be physical. Look at this. A lot of bone-crunching picks right there in that. At meron tayong mga palitan ng tao. And Batak was called for a foul. He will go to the bench. Penalty situation na Santo Tomas and also the other way around. Also penalty na po, so free throws ang paglalabanan dito. Free throw time. Yes. 1-point game. Unti-unti. Tinatapyas ng Candaba ang lamang ng Santo Tomas, which once stood at 7. Now, this is just a 1-point game. 5:27, third quarter. Lopez. 9 to shoot from the left quarter court. He got it to go. Mahiti. 47-43. Almost a steal. Oh, he almost traveled. Jumper. Not close. Gomez. Burning Weber. Drops it up. Nice play. Nicely done. And we have a timeout. Candaba down by 6 with 4:50 to go. We have a timeout. Nalalabing oras sa third quarter, 4 minutes and 50. Lamang po ang Santo Tomas ng 6, 49-43. Nagpapatuloy po ang Delta Cup Game 4 of 6. Dito sa BREN Convention Center in San Fernando City, Pampanga. My name is Juan Paro. Banging bodies inside. De La Peña draws a foul. He will take 2 nonetheless. Foul on number 75. That's Zapata. First free throw is good. Two for two for De La Peña. 49-45. 4.5 minutes in the third quarter. Gomez escapes and gets the bucket. De La Peña short. He knows it's short. Gusto niya habulin pero Silvestre has it instead. Inside incursion. Wala. And the rebounds De La Peña. Set it up. No. It goes to the other way. Three-pointer. Short. Mahiti. Silvestre. Gomez sets up play. 10-second shot clock. Santo Tomas up by 6 points from the baseline. Batted away again. Rare fast break finish. He bottled up and lost it. Oh, bad break there for Hernandez. And they make the pay. (53-45) Santo Tomas. Candaba wants to come back on this huge deficit. Foul now. Downstairs. So Zapata will be called for another foul. That will be his third personal. It's now 53-46. One more free throw for him. Short. He gets it right back. Can chop down the lead in further. He do. 53-48. Two and 47 remaining in the third quarter. Trying to shoot. Tough fall away. 2.5 minutes remaining. They're swinging around. Up fake. Drive. Scoop shot. No. Put back. Yes! All right. College checks in. With 2:18 remaining in this third quarter. Still an eternity of basketball ahead of us. So one more free throw for Candaba. They can chop down the lead even further to just 2. Important basket for Candaba. This is just a 2-point game, 53-51. Approaching the 2-minute warning of the third period. Inside incursion. Block. Chance now for Candaba to come back. Under 2 minutes remaining in this third quarter. Low post play. Kick out 3. Inside incursion. Beautiful. Nicely done. He finds De La Peña open. Buenzo Seco with the recipient. Tied at 53. Anybody's ball game. Mahiti to Gomez. Silvestre offers a pick. Mahiti to this guy who just missed a 3-point shot. That's suddenly we have a tie game in our hands. 3 ball, air ball again. Silvestre checks out. Under a minute remaining, 53 apiece. Tied ball game. This is only the third deadlock of this ball game. Mahiti signaling play number 5. Corner flip 3. Nothing. And it's going to be a foul. Alright, they're just checking the possession arrow. And the coaching staff of Candaba contemplating that dapat sa amin yung possession arrow. Let's see if they can overrule that instance. You take a look at that. Some slight referees discussion and coaches discussion at the table official. Now, let's review the mga results habang hinihintay natin yung verdict ng official. Game 1 kanina, Mexico, nanalo sa Kalayat, 108-56. Apalit, winning over Bacolor, 85-78. At kanina lang, Binalen beats Guagua, 80-77. So while they are also discussing, ibigay ko na sa inyo mga kaibigan yung mga games natin bukas dito pa rin sa BREN GUIAO Convention. Alright, we have a technical foul on assistant coach of Candaba. So malaking bagay yun. May pasok technical free throw. And games natin tomorrow, first game Candaba, back-to-back games for them. They're going to face San Fernando. Second game is Apalit versus San Simon. Third game is Porac versus Angeles. Fourth game Santa Rita, Mexico. Fifth game is Guaga versus Poli de Blanca. Santo Tomas versus Binalin is our last game. 3-ball converted. $18 seconds remaining before we end this quarter. That's AJ Lyson. Oh, it rattles out. It's going to be a foul. $11 seconds remaining. It's a foul on Zapata. Take a look at this. After the rim out, ayun. It's a foul on Zapata. And Buenzo Seco, sinukat na ang free throw. The lead is 3, 57-54. 11 seconds remaining in the third. Mates ball. Santo Tomas will use a timeout. We'll be back. We're down to 11 seconds of this third quarter. Last shot time for Santo Tomas before we end this. Bata. 5 seconds. Lyson from the corner. 3. No. 1 second. That should do it. And the third quarter, Santo Tomas 57, Candaba 55. Let's take a look at the highlights of our third quarter encounter. It has been a bruising encounter between these squads. Let's see some highlights here. 3-point shot, it's good. And there's the driving side, nice pass. When Joseco scored the basket. And on the other swing play, 3-point shot in the corner, it's good. So right for the board. That's about it. Third quarter score right on the screen. Fourth quarter coming up. This is Delta Cup. Umpisa na po ang fourth quarter. Our venue announcer, Ma'am Mulins, 57-55. Santo Tomas up by 2. My name is Juan Paro, doing the call for this Delta Cup. And a basket. And a basket, number 77. That's Ryan Chongson. Closely fought encounter. It's hard to tell who's going to be the best player. Oh, it's going to be a foul from 3-point region. Nako, kay Silvestre. Pangina na kaya si Silvestre. Let's take a glance for it. So it's a foul on Silvestre. Miss shot from the free throw line for Candaba. Second is good. Third free throw is in and out. It's going to be a lane violation. So substitute free throw for Candaba. Third is good. 59-57 Santo Tomas. Nine on the shot clock now from the baseline. Cross-court pass. That's a tight pass. 4 on the shot clock. They need to put it up now. David misses. Just in time para sa Santo Tomas na itira na yon. Wala na kasi paubos na shot clock. Guevara tightly guarded. Boldong is open. Short on his three. Batak. And we have a foul. Sorry, it's a backcourt violation. So shot clock at 14 seconds. Fresh shot clock now for Candaba. Muldong on the right wing. There's an immediate double team. This ball carrier. De La Peña almost missed making a layup. And it's going to be a foul on Chongson. Uh-oh. So foul number 77. Boldong, three-pointer. Rims out. It's going to be the white ball of Santo Tomas. Santo Tomas crosses the timeline now. A drop. Yongson forces his way. 8 on the shot clock. Mahiti. 3 to shoot. Nothing. Inside track. Ilabas muna. Inside play. Batted away. Shot clock 8 seconds. There you go. Inside track. Oh, Chongson was rejected. We have a foul. So Gomez will take 2 free throws and produce nothing. Second is a miss. So far, it has been a close encounter. Santo Tomas and Candaba. Game is undecided. Buen Soseco inside, imposing his will. And that will produces a basket. Mahiti. 50 to shoot. Gomez and Corks. Yes, sir. (62-59). 6:30 remaining. 10 to shoot. 5 on a shot. Uh-oh. That's going to be a charge. 62-59. 6:18 remaining in this ball game. A lot of time on the shot clock for Candaba. Vinuya from the corner. Tatamaan talaga ako. Six minutes remaining in the fourth and final quarter. Gomez sidestep. Rims out. But he tips it right back after the miss. Lost possession for Candaba. Almost a counter steal. Yes, a counter steal. And they drew a foul. And the bench is up in arms, especially for Santo Tomas. Free throws missed for Candaba. Free throw is no good. Oh. Gomez. Starter step. Side step. It's a foul. It's going to be 2 free throws. So foul on number 7. It's going to be his 4th personal foul. Well, rather it's foul on number 8. It's Buenzo Seco's 4th personal. So that's crucial for Candaba. Especially right now, Candaba is trailing by 6. We're approaching the halfway mark of this fourth quarter, 5 minutes. Guevara fires from the corner. He got it to go. It's a 3-pointer by Guevara. 65-62. Here's the driving play. He draws a foul. If that's Buenzo Seco, that's out. He's gone. Okay, he's gone, I believe. And Buenzo Seco bows out of the ball game with 5 personal fouls. So it'll be 2 free throws now. So first casualty for Candaba. Buenzo Seco was fouled out of the game. Mercado now can increase the lead for Santo Tomas. They have a 3-point edge with 4:47 in the ball game. The score is still pegged at 65-62. One more free throw. Split. 66-62 with 4 minutes and 45 in the fourth. Guevara, quick release. Not this time around. Gomez attacks the lane. Nothing. Both teams have 3 team fouls, 4.5 remaining in this ball game. Bagat inside. Strip. Gomez. Steal. Fast break. Finish. He didn't get it. Vinuya, hang time move, beautifully done. Mahiti. 10 on the shot. Down to 5. Almost batted away. Shot clock. Oh, why did he reset the shot? Anyway. De La Peña. Tip in. Guevara. Third effort. Tied at 66. Santo Tomas scores for time. We'll be right back. Back to live action. Tied at 66. This is our fourth deadlock in the ball game. Santo Tomas and Candaba. Again, this is the battle of momentum. Candaba with a 2-game winning streak. Santo Tomas with 3-game losing streak. One will break the spell. Candaba has a chance to grab the lead back with 3 minutes and 5 remaining in this ball game. Sticky foul on Mahiti. Second foul on Mahiti. Vinuya inside. Bottle up. Big guy, Magat. It's a 3-second violation. Good call by referee Noel Menchero. So it's just a shot clock problem. Let's see if Santo Tomas can regain the lead. With 2 minutes and 49 remaining. Crucial encounter here. Lyson misses a 3. Offensive rebound for the white shirts. Oh, it's a hacking foul. That's very obvious. Let's see that again in slow-mo. After the rebound. Boom. So Magat will be called for his third personal foul. Sylvester slightly feeling the pressure. Off his first charity. (67-66). Pressure on the ball carry now. They're swinging the ball from center court to left. Now crossing on the right. Guevara. Shot clock at 7. Spots and rims out. Rebound. Zapata. Santo Tomas with a 1-point lead. Zapata all the way to the hole. We're down to the twilight zone. Last 2 minutes of this encounter. 69-66. 3-point shot for the tie. That stands short. Inside pass to Magat. Magat tightly guarded. Spins, turns, puts it up. Short. Silvestre breaks it downtown for the white shirts. Here's Lyson. Lyson got it to go. Nice shot. And we have a timeout by Candaba. Let's take a look at this last layup. Lyson layup. Timeout. Okay, we're back to live action. We're just moments away of finishing this ball game. Santo Tomas with a 1-point lead. Candaba will inbound on the front court. Guevara will inbound now. He's been the consistent scorer for Candaba. He needs his services at this point. Here's a three-point shot. Offline, Guevara underneath. No. He gets it right back. He scores. (71-68). A minute and 20. 3-point Santo Tomas lead. Just like on the last game, another close encounter. Down the wire finish. Lyson. Oh, wow. Timely baskets by Lyson. Lyson with a rebound. He hit the last two baskets. 5-point edge. Mahiti was fouled. Five-point game for Santo Tomas. Mahiti misses the first. Still a glimmer of hope for Candaba. Should Candaba lose, this will be their first loss after a good winning streak that they provided. For Santo Tomas, if they win, they will end a 3-game losing skid. They have a 6-point game, 74-68, 40 seconds to go. Baseline drive, yes. De La Peña, who has been missing in the fourth. 37 seconds. Santo Tomas will waste away the time. Mahiti on the outside. 10 seconds. Nice pump fake. Block shot. Gomez has it. 19 seconds. Last date stand for Candaba. And what a steal by Mahiti! Wow! What a steal by Mahiti. The lidless guy on the floor with the pocketed highs. Last date stand for Candaba. They need the 3-point shot. Guevara short. And that will do it. Santo Tomas wins 76-70. And my choice of the best player is none other than Lyson, who provided crucial baskets when they needed most. And his intensity really wound up his teammates. We'll have that interview in a short while. Sound check, sound check. Sound check, sound check, sound check. Isa na naman makapigil hiningang laro, 76-70, a squeaker here para sa team ng Santo Tomas. Of course, AJ Lyson ang best player, 3 crucial baskets. Anong nangyari sa fourth quarter? Bigla kayo nabuhay ng last 5 minutes eh. 3 crucial baskets saka yung mga rebounds.
Doon po kasi sa mas fresh legs po kami sa kanila, mas coming from bench po kami. Kaya po transition alam po kasi namin makakapon man po sila, mapagod po sila sa amin.
At ito ang sa mga observa ko sa Santo Tomas, para kayo mag-improve sa team standings, kailangan nyo pang i-workout ang free to shoot. Yung ma-workout free to shoot, lalo niya mas mamalakas ang kalaban nyo sa mga susunod na laro.
Nasa training po namin yan na hindi po kami magpe-petik sa mga training, palagi po kaming cohort. Palagi po cohort. Pagbilang sa training.
Matigas at matapang ng loob ng si AJ Lyson. Ito na pagkakataong pasalamat at bumati kay AJ. Go ahead.
Unang papasama po sa Diyos na binigay niya po yung panalo sa amin. At salamat din po sa mga sumusuporta po sa amin, mga taga Santo Tomas. At salamat din po sa mga sa pamilya ko, sa girlfriend ko.
Walang sikreto. AJ Lyson, congratulations sa iyo. Nalukot mo yung final score natin. Alright, coming up next, we'll have Lupao. And we have another team in line. That will be the 4th game at hand. 5th game of 6 is coming up next. Dalawa pang laro dito sa Delta Cup.